I got to start this over again. Phone call. All right, this is a graze. Graze, graze.com. I got this off Facebook. All right. These are snickerdoodle dips with cinnamon pretzel sticks. These are real good. Has like a little peanut butter. It's real good. Like that. Honeycomb crunch with milk chocolate, honeycombs, almonds, and raisins. I don't like almonds. So I just not eat those. I might eat almonds. I haven't tried these, so I'm going to try these. Alright, and another one is Billionaire Shortbread. Classic. Reinvented. Haven't tried these. These are new. Belgian milk chocolate, almond, raspberry, and fudge. I don't like these. This might be almonds. I won't eat the almonds, but that's what that is. I'll eat the little, if you can see that, the square thing. Those are really good. I'll eat that. Okay, and something new. Deconstructed cinnamon apple pie. Cinnamon dusted apple pieces, yogurt coated raisins, and almonds. I'm gonna try these. These look good. Besides the little white stuff. Can y'all see that? Mocha walnut cake with chocolate coated coffee beans, walnuts, and jumbo raisins. I may not eat that. I'll probably give it to my sister. And Deconstructed is new. I haven't tried this. Salted caramel and chocolate cookies with salted peanuts, Belgian chocolate coated caramel buttons, amaretto drops, and seeds. I'll probably eat the little cookie part and the caramel buttons. I ain't gonna eat the green stuff. Fantastic forest fruit with blueberries, lingon berries, soft apple pieces, and cherry raisins. I'll eat that. I don't know if I showed y'all this already. Then it has popcorn, which is good. I love it. The popcorn is really good. And I have a little passports for little kids. Get $20 off when I'm not going out of state. And then it came with nutrition facts. It tells you, the calories and Best Buy has the Best Buy date on it. Can you see that it has the Best Buy dates on it? I can't see this. Then you can get a couple of things. Like I said, to unlock your free first and fifth box, go to graze.com, enter the code, tell us what you like and where you are, and say thanks to me, Mary. You get your first and fifth box for free. And then it has ingredients. You can make this pumpkin brownies for Halloween. So, I would open these up and eat it, but I already had breakfast, so I'm not hungry. But I will leave the subscriptions and everything in the bottom so you can get your first and fifth box free on me. And enjoy graze. Because graze, actually, I was very skeptical when I first tried it. So, yeah. But, hey, for $10 or $19, depending on the box, I get 6. So, and this is where it comes from. I have my address. This is where it comes from. So, and you get it. You can get it every week, every 2 weeks, or once a month. However you want it. So, no, this is not the same shirt from the other day. So this is a new shirt. I have 2 of these. Yeah. Got to drink my cranberry juice. I like Ocean Spray, but it's the only one that has it. Got to do my hair. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. I want to. If I want to. Cranberry juice is good for you. Go cop some. It is 32 ounces. I'm gonna drink 32 ounces of cranberry juice. Alright, y'all. It's probably about 9:30 in the morning. Get up, brush your teeth, wash your face, clean your body, and get your day started before it passes by. And you realize that you ain't did nothing today. Alright. So, on that note, I'm going to probably do my hair, flatten out my hair, and get my day started. Alright? Deuces. See ya later.